Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready and then take the first actions now. Make sure your device has over 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection because downloads can stall otherwise. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings Store. You will need the password for verification. Once done, force quit App Store and other background apps to free memory. Finally, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network radios so the App Store can reconnect cleanly. You now tackle middle-level fixes that actually resolve most stuck App Store issues. First, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or DNS entries. Note this removes saved networks, so have passwords handy. Once complete, open the App Store and clear its cache by tapping any tab icon 10 times. This forces a reload of listings and your account state. Make sure date and time are set to automatic so secure certificates validate. Then try downloading or updating the app again to see progress. You finish with restoration and a critical troubleshooting tip if problems persist. Back up your iOS 6 device to iTunes or Finder, then perform a restore to eliminate deep software corruption. This step reinstalls core services including the App Store. After restoring, sign in and reinstall the problem app. If the issue remains, check your Apple ID billing and regional App Store settings and confirm Apple server status. Sometimes the problem is on their side. One key tip: try installing the app on another device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.